Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 5, Cabo, for my brother. How's it?
Yes, khona tata kunjani?
Siphile nkosi mana khonto. How do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Yeah, ndifila happy kakhulu. Ama changes awenzileyo coach asinike ithemba ukuthi naku-matches ezayo sawuya phambili. Yeah. Ngolwesithathu sinethemba sawadla amazulu la e-FNB. Sabe silapho.
Xa ujongile intoni enze ukuba niwine namhlanje?
Ndibona abafana behlangene ngokomoya. Abehlangene ngokomoya. Ayikho into onongenzeki abafuna yenzeka. Yeah.
Enkosi tata. Bani man of the match yakho?
Man of the match yami ngu-Ox. Kunze midwayini.
Yeah, udlalela
kunze midwayini unyamboza.
Nazo.
Hayi.
Enkosi tata siyabulela. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.